Hello, my name is Gaëtan Vermeijeren from Fasttel. Welcome at ISE 2023. We're here to explore one of our newest products, the new Fasttel Doorphone kit. It is our newest product, plug and play 100% to make the work easier for the installers and integrators, but you still keep all the flexibility of all our other products to integrate in external or third-party devices. So you can have the door station as well flush mounted as surface mounted with the same bracket. You have the choice with the door station with or without the keypad. It's equipped with a 140 degrees camera infrared lighting for night vision that is OnVIF compatible with third-party systems. Standard, the kit comes also with a 7-inch monitor, Linux-based, where integration of external cameras are possible as well. And you have the transmission on 4 smartphones as well on Apple as Android. You can have a look at all the information of this product on our website, fasttel.com. Thank you.